Introducing DSV Locker, the secure and affordable way to courier packages to anywhere in South Africa. DSV Locker is an ideal solution for people like George. He runs a small business and needs a cost-effective and secure way to courier a parcel to a customer in Durban. George uses Google Maps to locate the nearest participating retailer and buys a DSV pack at an affordable price. He also pays one flat, all-inclusive rate, no matter where the package is going. George puts his parcel into the DSV pack, fills in the label and scans the barcode. A secure locker automatically opens for him, and we do the rest. George and his client can also track the package by visiting our website and choosing the Track Your Parcel option. DSV will deliver the parcel directly to the customer's door and notify George once it is safely in his customer's hands. DSV Locker is also a great solution for the following industries: education, e-commerce, distribution of parts, finance and mailroom services. DSV Locker, another secure logistics solution from DSV. For more information, visit www.za.dsv.com.